So instead of using a minced meat product, which most restaurants would use, we use the whole beef cheek. So I find it a lot more leaner. I can control the meat and fat ratio. And we also get a more consistent product, which I really enjoy as well. For 4 hours we've braised this at 140 degrees. And our master stock we have here, they come out beautifully. We use a bit of Worcester, ketchup, put to our fire. Then for the beef and toast, we toast the bread, then add the poached eggs to the water, bring to the boil, then start completing the dish. And then we pull it all together and we're ready to serve. Hi, I'm Phil Clark and that was my beef cheeks on toast. If you like the recipes, check it out at recipes.co.nz. Otherwise, join us at Kingsland Social.